Okay, so I'm at my mailbox, and I don't know if you can see how deep that is, but this is a snowdrift. There's my neighbor's house down the street. Okay, so we're turning. There's my house with the trees, but there's snow just on the ground. It's just white. And this is just the blowing snow, I think. I don't even think that this is the real snow. The like 9 inches we're supposed to get. Look, my neighbor's cars. I don't know if you can see that. See how snowed in they are. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh, look at all the wind. Okay, my driveway's pretty good until you get up right up to their house. Ooh, wind's coming from the door. Oh, that's cold. Oh, good Lord. Look at all the snow around the house. On the roof. Not so much on the roof. I like bicycles. It's pretty cool. So look at that. Oh, sick. Okay, I'm going inside and freezing.